The smartest creatures, as far as you know, on this earth are humans, is our defining characteristic.
Yes.
We're obviously weaker than, say, chimpanzees and less agile, but we are smarter. So now what happens when something vastly smarter than the smartest person comes along in silicon form? It's very difficult to predict what will happen in that circumstance. It's called the singularity. It's a singularity like a black hole, because
Yes.
you don't know what happens after that. It's hard to predict. So I think we should be cautious with AI, and I think there should be some government oversight because it's a danger to the public. And so when you have things that are a danger to the public, like let's say, so food and drugs. That's why we have the Food and Drug Administration
Right.
and the Federal Aviation Administration, the FCC.
To the best of our knowledge, humans are the most intelligent animals on the planet. Is intelligence what makes us unique? Indeed. We are clearly less nimble and weaker than, say, chimpanzees, but we are smarter. What would happen if a silicon version of something far more intelligent than the smartest person appeared? Predicting what would occur in the situation is extremely challenging. The singularity is the name of it. It's similar to a black hole in that it's difficult to forecast what will happen next. Because AI presents a risk to the public, I think we should exercise caution and that there should be some government monitoring. The Food and Drug Administration, the Federal Aviation Administration, and the FCC are in place to regulate items that pose a risk to the public, such as food and medications. You've come to the perfect spot if you want to keep ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of tech investments, particularly with Tesla. We'll examine the factors driving the recent spike in Tesla's stock price in today's video. We'll look at fresh market initiatives, cutting-edge AI advancements, and the main elements that could drive Tesla's stock even higher. Please hit the like button if you like our work before we get into the intricacies of Tesla's financial turmoil and prospects for the future. We are inspired to continue providing you with the most enlightening and current financial information by your support. To ensure you never miss any updates from Tesla stock news, remember to touch the bell button and subscribe to our channel. We're dissecting everything today, from Tesla's remarkable stock success to the calculated actions that might result in even greater expansion. We'll talk about how Tesla's creative initiatives, such as robotaxis and developments in artificial intelligence, are influencing its financial environment. We'll also discuss several professional forecasts and analysis that indicate Tesla's ascent is far from finished. Let's begin, then. With an astounding 41% increase, Tesla's stock has been on an extraordinary upward trajectory, enjoying 10 days in a row of gains. There are a number of important reasons for this increase. First off, Tesla has increased manufacturing and delivery of its vehicles, thereby satisfying demand and guaranteeing that fewer vehicles are left unsold in stock. Second, investor confidence is increased by the growing optimism in the energy industry, which Tesla plays a significant role in. Technical analysis indicates that Tesla's stock has strong support at $230, even though previous indicators, such as the daily RSI approaching 90, suggested that the company would be overpriced. This implies that even in the event of a decline, the stock price may not drop below this level. Stocks like Tesla are often assessed by investors based on their potential for growth and future earnings. Tesla is regarded as a promising investment because of its potential for significant growth, even if it is now selling at high multiples of anticipated earnings. These assessments rely on the general state of the market and anticipated rates of future profits growth. Regarding the future, many experts are still upbeat about Tesla's stock prospects, despite persistent worries about overvaluation. They think that Tesla's stock may rise even more, perhaps hitting $300 or $400 in the near future. Technical analysis tools like Fibonacci retracements, which many traders use to identify points of resistance or support within a market trend, provide the foundation for this optimism, which goes beyond simple guesswork. Reaching these ambitious stock price goals isn't assured, though. Tesla needs to keep pushing for improvements in its financial health, especially in areas like sales growth and profit margins, if it hopes to reach and maintain these higher levels. In this sense, Tesla's capacity for innovation and effective production scaling will be essential. To stay ahead in the cutthroat electric vehicle and energy industries, the corporation must also efficiently manage its operating expenses while keeping up its R&D expenditures. The market's general perception of Tesla is still positive due to the company's aggressive expansion tactics and unrelenting innovation in the electric vehicle and renewable energy sectors. Tesla's quarterly financial performance and any announcements about new models, technology developments, or market expansion are being intently watched by investors and market observers. The future does appear bright for Tesla and its stakeholders if it can sustain its current momentum and keep outperforming the market. In addition to influencing the direction of Tesla's stock, the upcoming years may be crucial for solidifying the company's standing as a leader in worldwide technical development. Given its artificial intelligence skills and its involvement in the energy industry, which are key drivers of its stock surge, the market currently perceives Tesla as an undervalued asset. The gamma squeeze, a phenomenon in which both put and option purchasers are quickly liquidating their holdings, is contributing to the upward pressure on the price of Tesla's stock. This shows that the market is aware of Tesla's AI potential and its continuing story in the energy industry, which continues to draw in investors. Investors are advised to use caution and humility when trading Tesla's shares, despite the encouraging momentum. It's crucial to avoid making the same mistakes again, including using excessive margin or carelessly selling calls, as these might result in large losses. It is advised that investors keep a long-term outlook and avoid taking on needless risks that can endanger their financial security. A long-term investing strategy is strongly advised for anyone thinking about purchasing Tesla stock. Experts advise concentrating on an investing horizon of 10 to 20 years. Furthermore, there is currently a noticeable imbalance between buyers and sellers, and the amount of significant institutional trading is still below historical levels. This implies that although there is a lot of interest in Tesla, the market has not yet completely steadied, so anyone wishing to invest in the company would be better off taking a cautious, long-term strategy. Organizations are increasingly reassessing businesses according to how they use and incorporate AI into their operations. Companies are increasingly actively integrating AI models into their business plans, which is changing how institutions perceive their long-term worth. A cautious response to this new technological development is seen in the worries about how these AI projects may impact stock movements and advise on managing investment margins. It is impossible to overestimate the significance of collaborating with someone you trust while making financial decisions. Relying exclusively on online counsel for financial concerns carries a considerable risk. Seeking out and utilizing the experience of seasoned financial sector pros is advised instead. These people are able to offer knowledgeable, tailored guidance that considerably lowers the possibility of financial errors. Investors are confident in the long-term prospects of businesses, particularly those that successfully use emerging technology like artificial intelligence. A company's leadership and execution skills are just as important as its present financial standing and market performance when it comes to believing in its future. Strong leadership and the capacity to carry out plans efficiently are essential elements that highlight a business's potential for long-term success. Many conversations on what's driving this remarkable performance have been triggered by the recent spike in Tesla's stock price. One of the main areas of conjecture is how artificial intelligence will affect Tesla's expansion. Many people think that Tesla's AI developments have played a big role in the stock's increase. Furthermore, there is careful examination of Tesla's impending developments, specifically how they may affect the company's profitability and standing in the market going forward. Analysts and investors are intently observing how these issues will impact Tesla's stock price and financial health. When it comes to investing methods, it is advised to participate early in a bull market. Realizing the long-term potential of forward-thinking businesses like Amazon and Nvidia can result in might instead come from comprehending and acting upon these organizations long-term.